how to add music to Facebook posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to post on Facebook with music? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your Facebook app, go to what's on your mind at the very top, and go to your gallery. Choose the photo that you want to post, hit next, and now just tap on the picture and you can see the audio music icon at the top. Just tap on it, and now you can choose any music of your choice. You can even search the music and you can post it with the music of your preference. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.